In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom on laptop. First, open your web browser and go straight to the official Zoom website by typing zoom.com into the address bar at the top. Press enter and make sure you see the secure padlock and the Zoom site before proceeding. Going directly to the official site helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're getting the legitimate app. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look toward the top right of the page for the Meet option. Click that. Website layouts can change from time to time, so if you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the main Zoom site and not on a help article or a sign-in page. You're looking for the area where Zoom highlights its meeting tools. On the page that opens, find and click Download App. This will take you to the section where Zoom provides its desktop applications. You're aiming for the standard Zoom desktop app that lets you join and host meetings, not the browser extensions or mobile downloads. Next, choose the version that matches your laptop. If you're on Windows, select the Windows Desktop app. If you're on a Mac, pick the Mac OS version. Some platforms offer multiple builds like 64-bit versus 32-bit on Windows, or Apple Silicon versus Intel on Mac. If you're unsure, most modern laptops use 64-bit, and newer Macs often use Apple Silicon. Choosing the right one ensures the app runs smoothly and installs without errors. After you click the version you need, your browser may ask where to save the file. Select a location you'll remember, like the Downloads folder or your desktop, then click Save. If your browser doesn't ask and starts downloading automatically, it will typically place the file in your Downloads folder by default. Keep an eye on the download progress in your browser's toolbar or Download Manager so you know when it's finished. If your browser blocks downloads by default, you may see a small prompt asking for permission. Approve the download from Zoom's official site and it will proceed. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection so the file completes without interruption, and verify you have enough storage space for the installer. That's it. You've now downloaded the official Zoom installer to the location you selected. When you're ready, you can open that downloaded file to continue with setup. For now, you're all set with the download and your installer is ready whenever you need it.